Hey everyone, I am HVAC Repair Guy. I've got over 17 years in the trade as a technician, installer, and contractor, on top of my background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are taking a look at two high-performance heat pump systems to help you decide which one makes sense for your home, the Coleman HC20 and the Liberty GSZV9. Starting with build quality and cabinet design, both of these outdoor units are manufactured right here in the USA. When you look at cabinet protection, the Liberty GSZV9 features a full louvered coil guard. That louvered steel casing does a great job protecting the outdoor aluminum coil fins from lawnmowers, flying yard debris, and hail. On the other hand, the Coleman HC20 does not have a louvered coil guard, relying instead on slotted panels. Slotted panels allow solid airflow while providing basic protection, but they don't offer the full coil coverage that the true louvered cabinet does. Both units do come equipped with a sound blanket wrapped around the compressor to help tame mechanical vibration. Moving to heating performance, we look at the Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, or HSPF. In simple terms, HSPF measures how efficiently a heat pump delivers heat during the winter months, where a higher number means lower electric bills in cold weather. The Coleman HC20 comes out ahead here with an HSPF rating of 9.0, giving it strong heating capability and solid efficiency when outdoor temperatures drop. The Liberty GSZV9 sits at an HSPF rating of 8.2, which is still respectable for a central air source heat pump, but it will consume slightly more electricity to supply the same heating output in peak winter conditions. On the cooling side, both of these systems double as high-efficiency air conditioners that will keep your home plenty comfortable during hot summer months. When it comes to compressor and fan technology, both systems sit in the ultimate performance tier because they both feature fully variable speed compressors matched with variable speed condenser fan motors. Variable speed operation means the system does not just ramp up to 100% power every time it turns on. Instead, it ramps up and down incrementally to match the exact heating or cooling load of your house at any given moment. That continuous modulation gives you outstanding indoor temperature consistency, superior humidity control in summer, and significantly extends equipment life by eliminating harsh on-off electrical cycles. Sound levels are always a big deal for homeowners, especially if the heat pump sits near a bedroom window or back patio. The Coleman HC20 operates as low as 54 decibels. To give you a real-world frame of reference, 54 decibels is about as quiet as a modern dishwasher running in the kitchen or a quiet library. The Liberty GSZV9 has a sound rating that lands between 68 and 72 decibels. That is noticeably louder, roughly equivalent to normal indoor conversation or a vacuum cleaner running nearby. If low outdoor sound is a priority for your backyard, the Coleman is remarkably quiet. As far as manufacturing goes, Coleman HVAC equipment is manufactured in the USA, with the brand line backed by Bosch Home Comfort following their acquisition of the Johnson Controls residential business. Liberty heat pumps are manufactured in the USA by Daikin Comfort Technologies, the parent company behind Goodman and Amana. Both are established, reputable HVAC manufacturers with broad North American distributor support. For real-world installed pricing, current market searches for these top-tier variable speed split systems show a total installed cost typically ranging between $9,000 and $15,000, depending on system tonnage, electrical requirements, and your local contractor labor rates. Equipment-only pricing for units like the Liberty GSZV9 generally runs between $6,000 and $8,800 before labor and accessories, while a complete installed Coleman HC20 system lands in that same premium $9,500 to $14,500 range. Always get multiple quotes from qualified local contractors because installation complexity dictates final pricing. Taking a look at warranty protection, both brands give you a 10-year standard parts warranty and a lifetime compressor warranty. However, the Liberty GSZV9 goes a step further by including a 10-year unit replacement warranty in the spec data. That means if the compressor fails within the first 10 years, Liberty replaces the entire outdoor unit, not just the compressor. My honest recommendation comes down to what you value most between heating efficiency, sound levels, and warranty backing. My clear winner is the Coleman HC20.